afternoon. Welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi, Batra. Well, there's big news coming in as far as NSE is concerned, and this may impact a whole host of traders who are actually interested in the ticket size of stocks which are below 250 rupees. The National Stock Exchange on Friday has now announced that it shall start to reduce the ticket size, also commonly known as the tick size, for stocks valued up to 250 rupees per share. Now, the current tick size for stocks traded on the NSE is 0.05 rupees or 5 paisa. Now, the NSE intends to reduce this tick size to 0.01 rupees or 1 paisa, which means that the buyers and the sellers can now place orders to buy and sell stocks that are below 250 rupees in multiples of 1 paisa. For example, you can place an order for a stock at 101.01 rupees and then so on. Tick size is the minimum price difference that must exist at all times between consecutive bid and offer prices. For example, if a stock has a tick size of 0.05 rupees and the last traded price was 100 rupees, then the next 5 best bid prices for the stock would be 99.95, 99.90, 99.85, 99.80 and 99.75. All the stocks in the cash segment now under 250 rupees, along with corresponding stocks trading in the futures segment but excluding the options, will now be traded with the 1 paisa tick size. Remember, why is the NSE really doing this? Because NSE's competitor, the Bombay Stock Exchange, already has the 0.01 tick size, but for stocks which are below 100 rupees in value. Now, analysts believe that this lower tick size, especially in the case of lower valued shares, which will help in better price discovery. Kranti Batini, the Director of Equity Wealth Mill Securities, has said that this is a welcome step from the National Stock Exchange, and lower tick size will help in improving the spreads and the volumes also can rise. Meanwhile, NSE's release stated that lowered ticket size shall be applicable for new listings as well. The exchange shall also determine the eligibility for all such shares as of the last trading day of a particular month. Now, Arvinder Singh Nanda, he is the Senior Vice President at Master Capital Services. He has said that the National Stock Exchange move to lower the tick size now aims to bolster the price discovery and the market efficiency, rendering the trading more appealing for both retail investors as well as traders. Moreover, the tick size in the stock futures segment will also align with the underlying security in the cash market, and this alteration will now empower investors to devise novel strategies that are tailored to small tick sizes, particularly for the lower price securities as well. Now, Arvinder Singh Nanda had also spoken to me, and he did say that investors, while cautioning that this move may also escalate system load due to large number of orders as well. So that is something that he continuing to watch out for. The new tick size rule on the NSE will be applicable from July 10th of 2024 onwards, based on the closing price of June 2024. NSE shall also review the tick size of underlying security on a monthly basis, and in case of a corporate action such as bonus, stock split or a dividend or a rights issue is there, then the existing tick size will also continue for the stock till the time of the monthly review, post which it may be also revised if there is need. Now, as of 24th of May 2024, nearly 50% of the NSE stocks quoted below 250 rupees per share. Out of a total of 2,749 stocks that were traded as of Friday, May 24th, that's the base case we are taking, 1381 stocks had closed below the 250 rupees threshold. So that kind of a market will be impacted with this new rule coming in. With that, we will continue to get you such important information that is continuing to flow in from the exchanges for all of you traders and investors, so that you can continue to trade wisely going forward. Many thanks for tuning in onto this special edition.
Swati ji, I want to start by asking you about your version of what happened on the 13th of May, because what you're alleging is that there was an altercation with the personal secretary of the Delhi CM, and you claim that he beat you up, but everyone who